go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Trussardi. This is a first on my channel. I've never smelled anything from this brand. This one called Black Extreme, right? Trussardi Black Extreme in Eau de Toilette. They got the fuzzy box. I think this is a bargain bin jewel. We'll see. We'll see who's reviewed it on YouTube. You're going to include yours truly now, and we'll see what this brand is all about. Now, I'd appreciate if you haven't hit it, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, much appreciated. Absolutely, thank you very much. And to the ones that do return, merci beaucoup for returning. Now let's take a look at the note breakdown. Let's see what I'm going to be getting out of this thing. And the dreaded C notes starts us off in the top note. Not a fan of that. I hate seeing that in top notes, but the mid of this fragrance actually redeems itself with plum and iris. Those are big boy notes. I absolutely love both of them. So we'll see. Iris is actually one of my favorite notes of all time. So good. In the base, we got leather woods, patchouli, and vetiver. So we got obviously a very green woody back end. Leather, obviously another one of my favorite notes of all time. So, you know, if I had to pick and choose in the notes, I'd be like, okay, give me a plum iris leather based fragrance. I'm happy. This was released back in 2014. Happy 10-year anniversary. Nose, an established nose, Orléans Guichard. So let's delve into it. The fuzzy, the fuzzy box, I don't know. It looks, to me personally, it looks cheap. I'm not a fan of velvet boxes. Honestly, there's no regal piece on there. The whole look of this box, bottle, and everything. You know, you got, is this from England, by the way? Is this an English brand? Made in Italy? Absolutely not. With a name like that, I would assume it would be from Italy, but you never know. It has like a, you know, a crest like an English brand would. They're proud of their crests. This bottle is extremely heavy, first and foremost. Like almost, why is it this heavy? It does have indentations on the side here. Very good for, having it in your hand. I do like that. Heavy cap as well. So there is some quality to it. Let's delve into it. We're gonna put it on strip first, and then we'll put it on skin. So we'll start, oh my, that's an atomizer. So there's some quality there. Let's delve into it. Oh my God, my strip is soaked. I don't know if you can see that coloration. Oh, that is strong. Synthetically strong. Oh, it smells like, oh, it's got a woody, medicinal, fruity thing going on that is so harsh. Oh my, maybe I sprayed too much. Oh, it's, I haven't done this in a while on my channel, but that is strong and gross. It smells like a bargain bin, like synthetically. Orléans, what the? Okay. Well, it's backing down a bit, but oh my God. And again, I'm not exaggerating. I'm not here for clicks and views and stuff like that. I'm just here as a perfume head. I got this on my Fragflex haul, so nobody's paying me. You know, Fragflex would probably, even though they're a discounter, they probably want me to do more positive fragrance reviews, obviously, to get, you know, I do have a code and they want people to go to see their website, but holy moly. Okay, well, okay, so that initial blast was bad. Okay, so we're gonna do a little controlled half sprays. I'm not putting it on my neck. I don't care. Look at that. I'm soaked. Okay, so the atomizer is probably the most beastly atomizer I've ever seen in my life. I wonder if I can just go. That is a controlled atomizer. It's gonna smell disgusting in here now. I shouldn't have done that, but like my hand is still soaked. That's why it's so strong. Okay, So what does it smell like? Well, beyond the initial shock of it being so strong and badly composed, this is badly composed. It's synthetic. It smells cheap. Hands down. I don't care. Like, anybody that wears more than 2 sprays out of the bottle of the atomizers that I have in front of me, you're killing it. And I don't mean that in a good way. You're not killing it. Like, you're killing it. You're doing too much. It's got a cheap smelling woody back end, a little bit of a C note, but it's being engulfed by this woody, syrupy plum. This is by far the worst plum note that I've smelt. It's very artificially strong. That's the thing that chemically hit my nose when I first sprayed this. It's syrupy, chemically done. It's no good. That's no good. It has, yeah, it's got like a body wash, bluey vibe in there. That's the C note I'm getting, like an artificial thing, so it's not very good. I really hope this is a cheapie. I hope I'm right. I should have checked. Excuse me. I don't think this thing is over $100, but I could be wrong. This is a bargain bin scent. This is a bargain bin scent that you should avoid unless you, I don't know. This is, like, obviously it's dumbed down now, but it has heavy notes that are really artificially done, like really strong, like not well done. And then there's a light aquatic synthetic thing, and it really isn't. Like, there's a suede like leather in here, so there's nothing. Cap it. Cap it. Done. Yeah, this ain't it. Oh man. You know what? Anybody that doesn't like black licorice, I'm not saying this smells like black licorice, but I'm going to give you a vivid imagination because I'm not a fan of black licorice, by the way. The first time you smelt a bag of black licorice, that initial thought of that, like, you recoiled a bit. You're like, oh, that's strong. That is exactly what this scent profile reminded me of. It was like a shock to the system. Now, obviously, you know, dumbed down a bit now that it's on my skin. It is getting a little better. Okay, so I hate flipping it on you, but yeah, the plum gets a lot better. Okay, so that initial shock is scary, that plum. Holy bad. But now that it's dissipated a bit, it's a little more pleasant. I wouldn't recommend it either way. It doesn't matter. But it's a suede-like leather, a little bit of that bluey body wash thing. Yeah. Anyway, you can find this one at fragflex.com. And I do have a code there, TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide. Go check out Fragflex. You know what? Now I'm looking at this and I'm like, this is not the end for me. Like, usually if I buy a fragrance and I unbox it for all of you, you know, once I'm done with the video, plunk it right here where it's supposed to go, wherever fragrance brand it is. And I'm done with it. No, I have to decant this tonight. With this atomizer, it better be, no, I'm going to rip off the atomizer depending. We'll see. I'm not using that atomizer to decant anything. It's like a laser. So at the end of it, now that it has time, the initial shock's over, it's a bargain bin set. It's like, I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't. However, this brand is well known within the fragrance community. I've seen Trussardis. I've seen a lot of them actually within the community. So we'll see, maybe another fragrance out of that line could be interesting. At the end of the day, now that you heard my take, again, it's just an opinion. You know, this is the thing of a fragrance reviewer, right? Now I've got to take the backlash of people that love this stuff. They are going to come after me. The thumbs down are going to get hit. The comments are going to be like, this guy, don't listen to this guy, nose is broken, he doesn't know what he's talking about. It's a great scent. Sure. You can defend your scent. You don't have to defend your scent, but you can. But yeah, if you really like this, that's great. That is, you know, all our tastes are different. Again, this is just an opinion, so take it with a grain of salt. But I'd love to see the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. I will definitely high five the ones that say the exact same thing as me in the comments. High five is here. It's here. I'll high five you hard too. Wow. This is a little bit of a shock to the system here. Interesting. Okay. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely and never spray more than 2 sprays of Black Extreme. That's the name, right? Black Extreme. Okay. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one. Wow.